Imagine the possibility of earning up to $600 every single day just by typing names online. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me tell you, it's not only possible but also incredibly simple. Here's the deal. You get paid for typing just one word or name, like Michael or Bill. It's an opportunity that's waiting for you to seize it. Now, let's talk numbers. Picture this. You could earn $20 for typing a list of names and their ages. And if you're feeling ambitious, typing 5 pages could land you $100. But wait, it gets better. Typing 20 pages could put a whopping $400 in your pocket. And guess what? There's no limit to your earning potential. That's right, you can type as much as you want, whenever you want. Whether you're on your phone or computer, the choice is yours. And the best part? This opportunity won't cost you a dime. It's free and available to anyone, anywhere in the world. But hold on, before you get too excited, make sure you stick around until the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the sign-up process. It can be a bit tricky, and most people tend to get it wrong. So how much could you potentially earn with this new opportunity? Well, there's a simple way to find out. Just head over to ratatype.com and use the calculator on their website. Pay close attention to the word rate, which is 10 cents for every word typed. Let's break it down further. Take a look at the first, second, and third pages of the project. Each page contains about 300 words. Now, imagine getting paid for typing names. Intrigued? Visit talentdesire.com, where you can find a plethora of work-from-home options. From online proofreading to freelancing blogging, the possibilities are endless. But for now, let's focus on online typing jobs. The best part? You don't need any experience or technical skills to get started. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something for everyone. Registration is free, with no hidden fees before or after membership. And rest assured, you'll never be asked for any money. This opportunity is available worldwide, so regardless of your location, you can start earning today. And here's a little secret tip. Stay tuned because shortly, we'll reveal a strategy that can help even beginners earn at an advanced level. Let's dive into the first bonus tip to boost your earnings by typing names online. Head over to ratatype.com, the main page where you can take a free typing test. Click on the yellow icon to begin typing on your mobile device or PC. Completing this test will earn you a certificate, which we highly recommend getting. It's free, and having a typing certificate will significantly increase your earning potential. For example, if you want to earn $20 per page, having this certification is crucial. It's a powerful secret because it makes you more attractive to potential employers, leading to higher paying opportunities and a brighter career path. This means you could potentially earn $400 or even $600 per day just by typing names. As soon as you start typing on the page, they'll calculate your words per minute and accuracy. So it's important to stay tuned to learn how to get the certificate and apply on Talent Desire. Aim for an accuracy between 98 and 99.9%. Regardless of spelling or typing errors, the more precise you are, the more money you'll make. By taking a typing test and getting a certificate on this website, you can showcase your typing skills, boosting your payout rate significantly. Let me show you how to complete these tests quickly and get your certificate for free in less than 5 minutes using a real example. Once you finish typing, your typing speed will be displayed below. Here are our actual results. Even if your typing speed or accuracy is below 98%, you can return to ratatype.com and repeat the free typing test until you improve. Now that you have your results, scroll down and sign up for a free account. Click the link provided and enter your name, email address, and password. Then hit I accept the terms and conditions and click the yellow sign up button. After registering, log into your Ratatype account and you'll see your name on the dashboard, along with your typing speed and accuracy results. Scroll down to find your certificate. Click on it to see that it's granted to you for your proficiency in typing in English with a signature from readytype.com. This certificate is valuable for verifying your skills and can lead to significantly higher compensation. Now, let's talk about signing up, registering, and applying for a typing job on talentdesire.com so you can start receiving typing gigs right away. When you scroll down on Talent Desire, you'll find a button to print your certificate. You can also save it on your computer or mobile device by clicking the Save button. This certificate is what we get from readytype.com for free. After getting your certification, you can apply for the job. Let's go to Talent Desire. Scroll to the bottom and click the red Apply Now button. Then this will take you to the application page. Scroll down and choose an application. Then click the red link to access the online application for work from home. At the bottom of this page, find the red link that says Apply and Work for Us by providing your information. If you can find the registration page, you can replay the video or bookmark it for later viewing. You'll need to provide your personal information, starting with accepting the privacy policy, followed by entering your first and last name, email address, and phone number. They welcome people from all over the world, including India, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United States, the United Kingdom, Pakistan, and other countries. Moving forward to the next phase, this part is all about providing your professional information, and it's a crucial step that many people often overlook. First up, make sure to fill out the job title section exactly as it's shown. This is really important, so take your time and double-check your entry before moving forward. Now, let's talk about your availability. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the times you're available to work. We recommend choosing the entire day because it gives you the most flexibility and opens up more opportunities for work. Now, let's choose how you'd like to receive your earnings. You have several options to choose from, like PayPal, wire transfer, or direct deposit. Pick the one that works best for you. Then you'll be asked about your professional status. For example, if you're self-employed, you'll select that option. Once you've entered all your information, simply click Continue to move on to the next step. Don't forget to add your signature. Just type your full name in the designated box. You'll also need to complete the I am not a robot verification step before hitting the Submit button. Once your application is accepted, you're all set to start receiving typing jobs. For each job you complete, like the one where you earn $20 for typing just 300 words, you'll earn money. And remember, you get $20 for each page you type, so the more pages you complete, the more money you can earn. And that wraps up today's video. If you found it helpful and enjoyed watching, please show your support by giving us a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to Profitability Plus and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first one to know when we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us, and we're excited to keep bringing you valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.